Keeping your car's interior clean is more than just about appearances. It's about creating a space that sparks joy every time you step inside. Imagine sliding into a pristine driver's seat, free of clutter and crumbs. Your car becomes a haven of peace, not a source of stress. Regular cleaning is essential for a healthy car environment. Dust, allergens and germs can easily accumulate, affecting the air you breathe. A clean car is a breath of fresh air, literally. Beyond the health benefits, a clean car holds its value. When it's time to sell or trade in your vehicle, a well-maintained interior will be a major selling point. Potential buyers will be impressed by your care and attention to detail. Ultimately, a clean car enhances your driving experience. It's a joy to cruise around in a car that feels fresh and inviting. It's amazing how a clean space can uplift your mood and make even the longest drives more enjoyable. Just like a chef needs quality ingredients, a clean car requires the right tools. Having the proper cleaning supplies makes all the difference. First and foremost, a good vacuum cleaner is essential. Look for one with various attachments to reach every nook and cranny. Microfiber cloths are your best friend. These soft cloths trap dirt and dust without scratching delicate surfaces. An all-purpose cleaner is a must-have for tackling general dirt and grime. Choose a pH balance formula that's safe for various materials. Don't forget glass cleaner for sparkling windows. Opt for an ammonia-free option to protect tinted windows. For leather upholstery, invest in a dedicated leather cleaner and conditioner. This will keep your seats supple and prevent cracking. Finally, a good carpet and upholstery cleaner can work wonders on stubborn stains. Now that you have your cleaning arsenal ready, it's time to get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide to make your car interior sparkle. Start by decluttering. Remove any trash, loose items, or anything that doesn't belong. Next, vacuum the entire interior, paying close attention to the carpets, seats, and floor mats. Use the crevice tool to reach tight spaces. Once vacuumed, tackle the dashboard, steering wheel, and other surfaces with your all-purpose cleaner. Spray directly onto a microfiber cloth and wipe clean. For windows, spritz glass cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and wipe in a circular motion. If you have leather seats, use the leather cleaner and conditioner according to the product instructions. For fabric upholstery, treat any stains with the upholstery cleaner. Congratulations, your car is now sparkling clean, but how do you maintain that fresh feeling? It's all about creating good habits. Try to remove trash and clutter regularly. Make it a habit to take any unwanted items with you when you leave the car. Consider investing in seat covers to protect your upholstery from spills and stains. Schedule regular cleanings. Aim to give your car's interior a thorough cleaning every few weeks. Remember to consult your car's manual for specific cleaning recommendations. For tougher tasks like deep cleaning or stain removal, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Detailing services can restore your car's interior to its former glory. By following these tips and making car cleaning a part of your routine, you can enjoy a clean and joyful driving experience every day.